You know, Ellen, if you don't have the budget to replace all of your windows in your home to make them more energy efficient, there are some things that you can do around your house that won't break the bank to make sure you save some money.
In fact, we picked up this setback thermostat at the home center for about $30. Very inexpensive and easy to install. In fact, it was only 4 wires, right?
Yeah, and you did it like in 5 minutes. But sometimes there are less wires, so make sure you pull out the manufacturer's instructions on how to wire up your new thermostat.
Now, the benefits of having a programmable thermostat like this, the fact that it's going to control the temperature in your home for you while you're away. Let's say, Jody, you're at work.
I'm at work.
Summertime.
Yes.
AC, you don't want it running all day.
No, there's no need.
So you've got the thermostat here that's going to pop it up to say, let's say 80
Ooh.
during the day. You don't want it to be 80 degrees though when you get home, so before you get home.
You can program it to definitely knock back down to a more comfortable temperature for you.
In fact, some studies say that you can save up to 25% on your entire heating and cooling bill just by having one of these in your home, which is pretty green thinking.
Ooh, I like that.